Okay, folks, this is our first official hands-on assignment for the forensic class. So I'm hoping you have installed bulk extractor on your computer. So what I'm going to show you how to pass the parameter and see what bulk extractor will find on a partition that we're going to give it to process. So the first thing I'm going to do is run bulk extractor. So go to your computer. I have Windows 8 here. So if you look for the folder where you install bulk extractor, you will find it. Let me see where mine is. So I'm running it right now. It is on, I just ran it. So here is bulk extractor. This is we call it the bulk extractor viewer. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to tools, I'm going to run the extractor. Okay, here it is. So since I do not have an image yet, we will have an image for the next set of exercises. So what we want to do, we're going to give it, in order not to be intrusive here, we're going to give it a folder on our own computer. So we're going to look at C and the users directory. Okay, and Kunj is mine, so yours may be a different name. So we don't want you to find things that you are not supposed to on somebody else's computer. So this is, we are focusing on only what you have on your computer. So I'm going to, you have to give it a path where it's going to write the data. So I'm going to write the data into, let's see, document, let's see, C. I mean, you can choose any directory you want to, and I'm going to use C, colon, backslash. I think I have a temp directory. See if it finds it here. So I'm going to write it to temp. Okay. And then we can submit it to run. Go down here, submit to run. Okay. Because, it could not find the directory ctemp. So let me find out if I have a ctemp. There's an error here, so let me close it. If it doesn't find the output directory, it's going to give you an error. The system will just fail. So I thought I had a temp. Okay, let's see. Do I have? Yeah, I do have a temp. So let me go back to it again and rerun it. Well, where's my bulk extractor here? So we are back to bulk extractor, tools, extractor. We're going to give it directory is, let's see, this PC, C, use, not D, but C. Okay, this PC, C. We say users, and Kunj is mine, open. So here we're going to give it C temp. I'm not sure why it didn't like the temp, but let's pick it from here and see, select. Okay, this is the path. Okay, we are looking for accounts. We are looking for, you're going to see the type of file we're going to find. Command syntax. So it's giving me an error. does not like the directory temp. See if I can fix this here. Okay, so I'm trying to create a new directory for this here. My dir. Okay, so let's give it that path. C my dir. Okay, so run. Okay, this time it's running. And the reason it didn't run earlier is because it didn't like that temp for some reason or another. But now I gave it my directory and it looks like it's running fine. Hopefully it's going to go to 1% here. It takes a very, very long time. And notice that it's going to scan this path that you see right here and start finding details of what is in those files and actually put it in the directory. So the directory called my directories. So I'm not going to keep running this. Let it run for your exercise. I'm going to cancel it. But if you go to the folder, right, and you look for my directory, here it is, you will see it has created all the things, the files that it's going to look for. CCN, for example, this credit card number, the file has been created, but there's no input to the file. Domain, these are the domain that I've been to on my computer, right? So if you were an investigator, you are looking for somebody who is learning how to make bonds, so you may be able to find that path here. If you emailed, you could even find all the email that has been sent from this computer, right? You can look at all the email that has been sent from this computer. If you look at, let's see, HTTP domain, HTTP domain, we look at that already. Let's see, what else can we find here? You can look, GPS, nothing there, but you can keep looking when phone numbers. Okay, here's some phone numbers that are stored in on this computer. Right, there are quite a few of them. Let's see, PII, personal identifiable information. There's nothing here. And URL, some other URL that I have visited over a period of time here. Nothing extravagant here, mostly Google and so on. So this is what, once you run it, you're going to see all of these are populated with values, and these are the values. The only one that I'm looking for is the CCN. So this is the only one that you need to send me. It's a text file, and you can send it to me without any problem. Okay? So this is your first exercise.